Straight to the latest developments in the ongoing feud in India's premier investigation body, the CBI. India's top court, the Supreme Court, today heard the plea of the chief of the Central Bureau of Investigation, Alok Verma. Verma had moved the top court, challenging the government's leave order against him. India's Supreme Court asked the country's anti-corruption body, the Central Vigilance Commission, to probe the allegations made against the CBI chief. The Supreme Court also issued a notice to the Indian government and the CBI in relation to Verma's petition. The Supreme Court said that the probe must be completed within 2 weeks. The investigation will be supervised by retired top court judge A.K. Patnaik. Though the Vigilance Commission requested the Supreme Court for time to carry out the probe, the top court said that the matter is of national importance and the probe must be completed as soon as possible. The government, meanwhile, has welcomed the Supreme Court order. India's Finance Minister Arun Jaitley claimed that the top court's order will ensure that the probe against the CBI chief is fair.
Had eroded the credibility of the CBI. The CVC, in the interest of fairness, had passed an order that till investigations or inquiries is pending or are pending against the two top officers of the CBI, they must step aside. What has happened in the Supreme Court today is that the Supreme Court has further strengthened the fairness criteria. They have fixed a time limit that this must be over within 2 weeks, which is a positive development. And in order to ensure that the highest standards of fairness are maintained, even in the inquiries, they have appointed a retired judge as an oversight judge to ensure that the CVC inquiry is absolutely fair.
India's top court has also barred the interim chief, Nageswara Rao, from taking any policy decision. The apex court also said that all the decisions taken by Rao since the date of his appointment as interim chief should be submitted to the court in a sealed cover. The next date of hearing in this case is on the 12th of November. Meanwhile, the Special Director of CBI, Rakesh Asthana, too, has moved the country's top court against the leave order. The court, however, refused to hear his plea today.